This cat saved a cafe from closing down by destroying the model trains inside. This cafe in Japan was themed around model trains, but no one really cared about it. With no one coming in to buy coffee, this cafe was about to lose all its money. But one day, a cat snuck into the cafe and started playing with the trains. The owner was amused by this and let the cat stick around. But over a few days, more and more cats snuck in and started destroying the man's trains. So the man began filming all of the cats messing around with his trains, and his videos went viral. Soon, his cafe became a hotspot for people to come admire his work and the little cats destroying the mini world he had built. Not only was his cafe saved, but the man even used the extra money from all the new customers to build a cat hotel and shelter. Now people can enjoy food and tea while scoping out a new cat for them to adopt.